how to delete Instagram story. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to add something to our story. Now, to do that, you just have to click on this story right here and click on camera. Now we can add or capture a picture or a video, or we can add something from our camera roll. So we just have to click on our shutter right here, and we can just add something to it. Let's say a hi maybe, right there. And after we added this to our story, we'll go back to the feed and click on our story. Now, before it is posted, you can just click on these three dots right here and delete the Instagram story. You can just delete this. And now, after you refresh the whole feed of yours, you won't be able to see any traces of your Instagram story.